Good evening. Welcome back to the Workbench here at Scale Models Midwest in Altoona, Iowa. As always, I'm David. Hope you're having a great week. As you saw from the thumbnail, I had a ton of stuff that I've been kind of stockpiling over the past few weeks. Finally getting around to showing it off. Got a challenge coming up, shop cards, some parts that came in the mail. So I just wanted to show it all to you, and then that way I can get back to working on some kits. First one, I got 3 kits from Salvino JR late last month. First one is the kit of the month. For those of us who are members, we get these first before they show up in the stores. This is the Richard Petty 84 Pontiac Grand Prix, the 200th race winner. I saw that race live and really blown away by it, so I was really looking forward to this particular kit. I definitely would be building this one. So that is so cool. I've seen some people already building it. I've seen some people go whole hog detail. I'll probably build this with, typical roll bar, padding, some wiring, but otherwise a lot of paint detail. I'm just gonna make this one a nice looking shelf model. The other 2 kits that I got, I held off on showing them because they weren't yet available in the stores. You can get these as pre-orders. They are now available at places like modelroundup.com. Of course, we're talking about Kyle Larson and Chase Elliott's Camaros. Let's look first at Chase Elliott's. Chase Elliott, number 9, Hooters decals. Obviously the Chevy Camaro is the same underneath. It's just the decals that really make it pop. There are, I think, a place called Mike's Decals that have decals for all sorts of the other Camaro kits that are out there. So go check out Mike's Decals. I've heard that they are excellent quality. I might actually be picking some of that up myself. And in most recent issue of, I think it's Car Modeler, there's Chastain's car done up in Uno decals, but I think the guy did those decals himself. So this lends itself to a lot of building possibilities. So yeah, I like it. Don't know which one of these 2 I'm going to build first, whether I do Chase Elliott or Kyle Larson. Kyle Larson's car feels a little heavier, but they're great kits. If you take your time, set them up right. I personally have not had any issues building the kit that I haven't created myself, but I have heard some issues regarding the chassis plate not being flat. So check out the YouTube videos. Look for places like Lucas C's channel, Mark Batson. There's some others that are building these kits. They're telling you how you can make these kits, if they are slightly warped, how they can sit level and flat. Just watch those videos as you're building these kits. Take your time. These kits are going to come together just fine for you. Again, I haven't had any issues with them, knock on wood. So, yeah, I don't know which one to build. Let me know in the comments what you think I should build of these 2, whether I build Kyle Larson or Chase Elliott. I don't know, I could do either one. And of course, when you're a member of Salvino JR, you get, every month, you get a different decal. And they just get better and better. These decals are so cool. One day I'm just going to make a wall of nothing but Salvino JR's decals. Look kind of cool. My wife told me I couldn't put them on the cars though, so bummer there. But what's kind of cool is, again, you get about $30+ worth of decals. There's another decal right there. I didn't see that one. Pretty cool. But the ones I have here, I have 3 sheets of this in each of the bags. I have number 11 decals and then number 43 decals as well. This again is for the 92 Richard Petty Pontiac, so that's good. Next one here, another set of decals, again Richard Petty, and of course a lot of tire markings, which is cool. This one is for the 84 Pontiac, which is the one that came with the kit. And it's not just the top decals, it's the vermilion decals as well with the white outline. I mean, if you want to mask and paint the vermilion, you sure can. But the decals, for most of us, probably are going to be just as well, if not better. Just take your time, be patient. Lots of Solvaset or Microsol or Microset for your decals. And of course, I had one more set, more 11 decals, more tire markings, And of course, number 27, the old Milwaukee 83 Pontiac. So that's way cool. And oh, what's that? Another set of decals. Pretty sweet. I've got another box coming any day now. I've seen the current kit of the month. That's already, some people are saying their mail call, they've gotten it. I haven't received mine yet, but probably any day now. Again, if you're not a member of Salvino JR's Builders Club, whenever you buy one of these kits in the store, they always have a little sheet in the box that allows you to sign up, become a member. You get kits of the month before they show up in the stores. You can pre-order kits, but you know, it's just a great community of model builders who put their kits out there as they build them and show them off to you. They've been featured in magazines already, so I highly recommend them. I've been a member of theirs for a good number of years now, so yeah, I can't wait to see what else they've got coming down the pike. Other kits I got. Well, this past weekend, my daughter and I went out because I had a hankering to buy a big car, big motor kit. And we were looking at 2 or 3 kits at Hobby Haven. One of them was the 4-door Chevy from Supernatural. Another one was the Jolly Green Giant. I believe it was a 66 Galaxy. We saw one in the display case there that was not like the Gasser, and that kind of piqued my interest. But then I told my daughter, I said, hey, you pick the kit that I get. She went right over to the wall of the models, didn't look at any of the ones that I had looked at. She picked this, 67 GTX. So this one comes with a Hemi, and great example of a big tire or a big car, big motor machine, and I like it. So she picked that one out, and I said, you want me to paint the same color? And she goes, yeah. I just happen to have a yellow that I think will match that. So yeah, that's going to get built someday soon. Moving on now to some parts that I got. These parts I got from Jay's Stock Cars, and these are going to go great with the next-gen chassis that we have here from Salvino's JR. If you see here, first items, I've got 2 of these. They're the dash tops with the reset recess built in for the interior. I'm trying to take this out so you can see it. These are 3D printed. They are excellent quality. And look at that. The first kit I ever built of the next generation car, I kind of used really thin plastic sheet for that, just to look right. But this just looks so much better. Definitely go check them out. It's again Jay's Stock Cars. Got 2 of those, and then also for the next gen chassis, I can't remember what these cylinders are, but also in there I've got 2 or 3 ignition switch modules right there. Take them out so you can see it. They are small. The parts are a little on the delicate side. Not nearly as fiddly as the parts that were on the Jet. But you see that. Got the raised detail for switches. So definitely lends itself well to paint detail. I think those are going to go really cool or look really well on the kit. I will be doing those on my next 2 builds for the stock cars, but on the same token, providing they look well when they're done, I'll be going back to Jay's Stock Cars and buying more. Definitely go check out his site. And then got the good old easel. Here we go. I got some shop cards. First of all, Jamie G Scale Model Garage right there. Let me bring it up here so you can see it. Big John's 40 Ford. Or is that a Willis? That's a Willis. I remember seeing this kit in the stores, and I've never built one, but man, that makes me want to go and buy one. I like the tinted headlamps. It's just got a cool stance. This is back in the day when you had those fuel altereds. I do have a Wild Willie Borscht fuel altered that I built Really like that. I think I showed that in a previous video. Got that one. Really cool. Thank you for sending me that card, Jamie. I really appreciate it. The next one I have here is from Mark at Blue Street Customs. I've been really looking forward to seeing this card because I've seen other YouTubers posting it on theirs. I like it. Sharp colors. I like the fact it's a Chevelle. It's pretty cool. And this is from a Ford fan myself. But on the back, of course, he's got another car that's there. Way cool. Wicked flames, everything. And thanks for your support there. Yes, thanks for your support too, Mark. Really appreciate that. And then finally, Brian from Got Fuels Model Car Garage. This is the guy I owe my channel to because he gave me a shout out like within days of me putting up the channel in my very first video or two. He put that out, and on Saturdays he holds court with several builders. Everybody connects in and you can see what all they're building, but this is his card. I've long looked forward to getting a card from his. He's got the Foose Cadillac, which I think is a sharp kit. I've built one as well. Can't go wrong with 57 Chevy pickup trucks, and of course your little Deuce up there. Great job. Kits are great. I like going onto the channel when I can on Saturdays, so if you ever get a chance, go to each of their channels. If you're not a member already, subscribe to them. Definitely check them out. Our model community has so many good people and such great talent. Just can't go wrong. Speaking of which, there's one that came out. I saw this from Mutt Modeler, Craig, over on that channel. I'll have his link in the description below. Has come up with a 48-hour group build, and he says it's like the 9th annual group build, and it's the second one I've been involved with. I did Mark Batson's police build earlier, and I thought it was so cool. I've been looking forward to seeing other group builds. So what he had this time out starts Friday at 8 o'clock your time this weekend and goes through Sunday 8 o'clock your time, and all that he asks is, as part of the group build, is to 1, have fun, 2, preferably build a new kit, not one that's already partially built, but a new kit. He's allowing us to wash our parts first, which I highly recommend. It's just better for when you start doing your body work and your paint. He's allowing us to wash the parts first, but not to start building the kit until 8 o'clock Friday night. So I'm definitely going to take that to heart. And then, of course, about middle of the weekend, you know, encouraging everybody to do a update video. So I'm going to see what I can do. Strictly box stock on this build. I wanted to do this one for a while, and it is the 1970 Pontiac Firebird. So this one I like. I think in the interest of saving time, I'm going to take a look and see what the white body looks like, and I'll probably leave the body as is. I'll put it together, maybe use some panel line accent for, you know, the lines for the doors and whatnot, but I'll probably just sand the body, shine it up really nice with my micromesh polishing cloths, and then clear it after I put the decals on, and then paint the interior the Lucerne blue. I think, if I remember correctly, reading about this, the Trans Am only came in 2 colors, white and Lucerne blue, with contrasting interior. So I'm going to do that. Real quick build. Only has 83 parts, so you know, couldn't tell what's on the bottom. But I'm going to do it stock. I'm not going to put the custom rims on. I'm just going to do those. Just paint detail. So I'm going to have fun with that. I hope you're having a great week. Again, catch you in the next video. And as always, if you see a kit that you like, go on ahead and buy it. Take it home, build it, show it off to your friends, and just keep getting better with each kit you do. Catch you next video.